Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to pay faster and more securely with your iPhone or Apple Watch? In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up and use Apple Pay step by step. Apple Pay is a digital wallet that lets you pay in stores, apps, and websites using your Apple device. It works with iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, and even Macs. To get started, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon from right side corner. Then select debit and credit card. Scan your card and enter the details manually. Follow the prompts from your bank and your card will be added after verification. To pay in store, just double click the side on your iPhone or Apple Watch near the card reader. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to confirm the payment. Look for the contactless or Apple Pay logo. You can also use Apple Pay in apps like Uber or websites like Nike. At checkout, go to Nike.com, a footwear company. Go to Nike.com, then select a product from this page and select your country and go to your choose section, then choose one product from here, the bag, then add to bag, then click checkout. At checkout, just choose Apple Pay as your payment method and confirm using Face ID or Touch ID. Want to see what you have paid for? Open the wallet app, tap to your card and scroll to view recent transactions. It's super helpful for budgeting. You can add multiple cards and switch between them easily. Also enable express transit in settings to tap and go without unlocking your phone on public transport. And that's it. You are now ready to use Apple Pay like a pro. It's fast, secure, and always with you. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below if you want to learn about Google Pay next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.